I told her she gotta come try it. They wondering what I've been doing. I told them I'm keeping it quiet. I pull up, you know I be moving. Whipping the foreign, I'm cruising. The money I'm speaking.
Hi guys, Lindsay, and I have this all-in-one hard drive docking station. And if you want one of these, I am going to put a discounted link below in the video description for you guys. These are very essential and very useful. If you look at this, we have USB hub 1, USB hub 2, we have M2, we have for TF card, SD card, we have for MS, we have XD, we have SD card as well. And we also have for the hard drive. We have for SATA drive and for IDI, you can see here. So this is ideal as well for cloning hard drive. So this is just a brief introduction on this multifunction hard drive docking station. I do have a video with tutorial on this, and I will be doing a full tutorial exploring each of these ports. So if you're looking for one of these, the link will be in the video description. My name is Lenz, and if you're new here on my channel, subscribe, like this video, and also share.